So it's time for another rig rundown, this time neck deep on the Sum 41 European Tour. Here we have Monitor World and Playback World, so I'm rocking a D-Live C1500 Surface. I'm using this bit of a table for my in-ears and packs for the band and crew, all mixed on the D-Live. So these are our in-ear transmitters. We've got a couple of drawers down there to store stuff within this case. This case is the band's own mother case, and these are all modular fly rigs that come out and drop into Pelican cases for us to do fly shows. This is the playback rig. Again, it comes out to drop into a Peli case. We've got a MIDI controller to control skipping tracks forwards and backwards. And then these are iConnectivity Play Audio 12s to handle all the outputs. This is the main machine, a Mac Mini. This is the redundant machine, a MacBook Pro. And they both follow along, doing exactly the same thing. As I skip through, you'll see both the machines follow the same commands. So if anything was to happen to this A machine, instantly it would fail over to B, and it's a seamless transition, happens in a couple of milliseconds. You'll never know it's even happened. This machine here is for my RF coordination. I perform a scan of the airwaves to see what's in the air. Today we're in Dortmund. Just here we have a power conditioner with some lights. This just makes sure the power is nice and clean for us. As in my last rig rundown, another 5045 by Neve. This cleans up the in-ears mixes by basically ducking the vocals when they're not singing. Got another drawer here to store some stuff in. Actually, in this drawer here I have a Jodivac, which is a tiny little hoover, basically, for hoovering in-ears, for hoovering out any dust, any wax, keeping on top of things, keeping them clean. This is the DM64. This is what handles all the inputs from stage, and it's also got the brain inside of it that actually powers this mixer for handling the in-ear side of things. The next case along is Guitar World. So neck deep run quad cortexes. We've got two guitarists and a bass player. Each guitarist has two quad cortexes, and the bass player has two quad cortexes. One is main, one is redundant. And so there is a switch here to swap between the two. These are all controlled by the Ableton session of the playback rig. So as the songs play through, they send commands over to these quad cortexes, which change patches, delay times, reverbs, all that sort of good stuff, different amps for different parts of the song for both the guitarist and the bass player. I'm going to run you through what's on stage and what's at front of house in another video, so stay tuned for more.